There we go. Okay. It seems my computer did not like my last Veda video. Yeah, I can't really explain that one. But, yeah, I need to stop saying but, I'm sorry. Either way, no, I made the 30th video for Veda, and apparently my computer ate it. Yeah. So, I couldn't find out where it went, and then magically today I found it, and it only made about half of it, maybe not even that much. So, I have the final Veda video. I just have to re-edit it now, and then of course upload to YouTube. But this is just a filler. I have the 30th video! It's just kind of moment. Toodaloo, I'll have the video up hopefully later tonight, if not tomorrow. So, John A for now.